Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers that accept USA clients. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Most Forex brokers who offer their services to traders from around the world today do not accept or welcome traders from the United States, amidst numerous other jurisdictions. There are numerous reasons for this, but the most important reason is that these brokers are not permitted to offer the trade in CFDs to US citizens. There are numerous stringent regulations that have been imposed by the US government. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex brokers that accept USA clients can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers that accept USA clients. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is an online financial broker that was founded in 1978 and is regulated by multiple financial authorities, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority and the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Interactive Brokers offers sophisticated trading technology and specializes in trading through stocks, options, futures, Forex, precious metals, bonds, and more. Platforms are available on Interactive Brokers' client portal web application, their very own trader workstation platform, IBKR mobile application with featured APIs, and are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Interactive Brokers offers a wide variety of account options to suit the needs of any trader, from individual, joint, and family accounts to small business accounts, advisors accounts, and more. Interactive Brokers also features their very own Traders Academy, which covers beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading courses, a Traders Insight panel, a variety of short educational videos, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, and more if you are looking for any additional education with Interactive Brokers. At number 4 on our list is TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade is an all-in-one, multi-purpose American Forex and stock broker that was founded in 1975, specializing in a wide range of stocks, Forex pairs, bonds, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, options, and futures. Platforms are available on the classic web platform, the next generation web platform, the TD Ameritrade mobile application, or the Think or Swim platforms, which are all supported on desktop, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. With TD Ameritrade, you can open standard trading accounts, retirement accounts, education accounts, business accounts, and margin trading accounts. No minimum deposit is required to open any of these standard accounts, and they provide individual trusts and pension plans, and business partnership or sole proprietorship plans. TD Ameritrade provides educational resources on how to learn and manage your personal finances, how to invest, as well as how to plan and save for your retirement. There are plenty of videos and articles that you can use to learn the basics of investing, and they offer goal-based trading courses that will give you a foundational understanding of fundamental and technical analysis, trading different instruments, and setting up your retirement portfolio. They also provide updated market news with dozens of how-to guides, and you will have access to third-party research, market data, and financial news. Coming in at number 3, we have ProsperityFX. ProsperityFX is a beginner-friendly broker that offers flexible accounts with low minimum deposit requirements and competitive spreads. This broker is located in St. Vincent and the Grenadines and is an offshore broker. ProsperityFX is a popular choice for traders that are interested in hedging and scalping, and this broker also offers PAM, or percentage allocation money management accounts, and a highly rewarding affiliate program. ProsperityFX offers dozens of Forex pairs, energies, cryptocurrencies, shares, and metals. The spreads on these instruments start from as low as 0.6 pips on Forex major pairs, and the standard, pro, and swap-free accounts have the tightest spreads. In general, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 500 on all accounts when trading with ProsperityFX. As a ProsperityFX client, you can use the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, which was released in 2005 and is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world today. MetaTrader 4 is highly customizable and secure, and is also a great option for traders interested in automating their strategies. There are 4 types of accounts that you can open with ProsperityFX, which are the standard account, the pro account, the VAR account, and the mini account. An account can be opened by depositing as little as $10, but the recommended initial deposit is $25 when using the mini account, $50 when using the standard account, $250 when using the VAR account, and $500 using the pro account. The standard, pro, and mini accounts charge commission fees for every lot you trade, and the mini account has the lowest commission fees. All accounts use SDP execution and have level 2 pricing. These accounts can be used for hedging, scalping, and algorithmic trading, and the use of expert advisors is allowed. If you are new to trading, then we recommend practicing using a demo account first, until you have a solid understanding of how trading works, as there are high financial risks involved. Joining ProsperityFX's Introducing Broker program or signing up as an affiliate will give you an opportunity to earn a commission when friends and family join this broker through you. This program is essentially advantageous if you have a large social media following or know many people interested in trading. The ProsperityFX affiliate program uses a tiered reward system, and the higher your affiliate level, the more you earn for each person you recruit. If you are interested in joining the affiliate program, make sure to check out the guidelines provided to make sure you get the most out of your partnership with ProsperityFX. Overall, ProsperityFX is an excellent choice for traders interested in hedging, scalping, or pooled investments. This broker offers flexible accounts, tight spreads, and commission-free trading on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. And you can start trading by depositing as little as $10, and there are dozens of instruments to choose from. At number 2 on our list is FX Glory. FX Glory is a low-cost, beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2011 in the United Arab Emirates. FX Glory adheres to strict anti-money laundering policies, and client funds are held in segregated accounts with trusted banks. To further protect client privacy, FX Glory uses 256-bit SSL encryption across the entire website, which is an HTTPS data encryption protocol that secures the transfer of sensitive data on the website. FX Glory also guarantees no requotes, zero slippage, and reliable trade execution. With FX Glory, you can start your trading career by depositing as little as $1, and they offer a variety of Forex pairs, precious metals and oil, and there are 4 flexible trading accounts that you can choose from. FX Glory offers more than 50 currency pairs with spreads starting as low as 0.1 pips. They also offer gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. And we recommend trading with them if you are interested in trading oil. FX Glory's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, which is available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. MetaTrader 4 is a popular trading platform that was released in 2005, and it comes with a variety of premium quality built-in analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, and so much more. The FX Glory standard account is recommended for beginners and casual traders, and can be opened by depositing as little as $1. This account allows the highest maximum leverage of 1 to 3,000 and offers a 50% deposit bonus of up to $500. For professional traders who are looking for higher leverage and a deposit bonus of up to $1,000, we would recommend opening a premium account. The spreads on the standard and premium accounts are fixed and start at 2 pips, but they offer the highest leverage and larger deposit bonuses. For traders who are planning on making larger deposits, the VIP and CIP accounts offer the lowest fixed spreads, starting at 0.1 pips with premium virtual private server services. All accounts offer both instant and market order executions, and all accounts are commission-free and have fixed spreads. All of the accounts offered can also be converted to swap-free accounts, and there are no hidden fees. If you are new to trading, there are several articles that cover popular Forex topics, as well as some insightful beginner's guides on Forex trading and how to start your trading career. There are also guides on predicting price movements using fundamental analysis, technical analysis, as well as graphical analysis. And you can visit the FAQ section for answers to some of the most commonly asked questions. There are many benefits to being an FX Glory client. This beginner-friendly broker offers commission-free trading with tight spreads and trading bonuses, and you can start trading with them for only $1. FX Glory provides 24/7 support, and they have international offices with direct telephone numbers for your convenience, so you'll never have to worry about not getting the assistance you need. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers that accept USA clients, we have IG. IG was founded in 1974 and is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority in the United Kingdom and the Australian Securities and Investments Commission in Australia, specializing in trading through Forex, indices, shares, commodities, options, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on the IG trading platform and the MetaTrader 4 platform. Both are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. IG only offers 2 main types of trading accounts and a demo account. The standard account is for retail day traders, and the more premium account for high net worth traders. The specific professional account requires certain criteria to be met regarding experience and trading capital, and allows greater levels of leverage in exchange for less regulatory protection. Their standard CFD account includes no setup fees or annual charges, access to demo accounts, live streaming charts, tools, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week customer phone support, and more. IG also provides their very own educational academy that delves into news and analytics, guides in risk management, webinars that you can register to, topics in strategy and planning, as well as their very own Academy mobile application for you to learn from if you are searching for any additional educational resources with IG. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers that accept USA clients on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.